sun is dipping slow above the wind. Hugo's rolling stories start to sing. Hurghada hums as engines roar. This channel shows the world and more. Departures chart that quiet, steady beat. Adventures spark beneath each travel sea. A friendly lens with a wanderer's eye. Hugo's tales will make you fly. Departures chart their quiet, steady beat. Adventures spark beneath each travel sea. A friendly lens with a wanderer's eye. Hugo's tales will make you fly. Travel with HugoF, tales in the skies, through deserts and oceans where wonder lies. A video window to land so new. He captures it all for me and for you. Glass walls reflect the journey ahead. Worn out bags tell stories unsaid. Hugo's camera catches every glow. From Hurghada winds to where dreams flow. From the cues and laughter, strangers to friends, sharing the road where no map ends. Compass guiding a world he roams. YouTube's become his second home. Travel with HugoF, tales in the skies, through deserts and oceans where wonder lies. A video window to land so new. He captures it all for me and for you. Video window to land so new. He captures it all for me. في مطار الغردقة هو جديد. حكايات السفر ملهاش حدود. بعيد محلات وأماكن للروح تنادي. تعال شوف الجمال في كل وادي. طواجو بيقود تجربة والرحلة. اشرب قهوة خليها مليانة فرحة. مطعم هنا وهدية هناك. كل ركن حكاية وذكريات بتراك. معها ونسافر نقلب حياة. نشوف المطار ونتخطى المسافات. يلا نعيش الجمال في كل مقاس. لحظات بتوب والفرح بيزداد. كاميرا بتصور للمستقبل هدية. من المحل المطعم بتنقل حكاية. وجمال موجود انصر وشوف. كل زاوية فيها روح وكسوف. مطعم سمك ورايحة والريحة. ملابس والوان بتنادي. مكان ديوان جمال جوا المحطات. مطار الغدا غنى بالذكريات. الرحلة مكملة والفرحة زادت. مع الفيديو بتعيش جو حكايات. سكر وحياة وسط الطريق. مع TravelWithHugoF خلي الحلم ليك. sun dips low and brushes the sand. Golden waves kiss the edge of this land. A bag in my hand, ticket in sight. Hurghada whispers its final good night. Gay signs glow like stars in the sky. Echoes of laughter as goodbyes pass by. The ocean breeze fades, replaced by steel. Moments like this you can't help but feel. Planes in the air, dreams taking flight. Hurghada departures fading out of sight. Memories packed, sealed safe inside. A piece of your heart stays where tides collide. Trolleys roll over tiles so smooth. A stranger's smile, old travelers soothe. The desert's edge lies just out the door, leaving but longing to stay a bit more. Timeless clocks that don't seem to tick. The rush, the wait, it all feels so quick. Languages blend like a soft-spoken stream. Eyes on the skies, chasing a dream. Planes in the air, dreams taking flight. Hurghada departures fading out of sight.
Thanks for watching my channel, traveling with HugoF. We roam the roads and skies, chasing dreams high and wide. If you like what you saw now, hit that thumbs up button. Please leave a comment down below. Share the moments with